So I earlier on unboxed my LAC M2 microphone. It's wireless, and right now I want us to look at some of the things that are found inside the box. So we have these two kind of like button size microphones. So this is how it is. It's small, it's very small. I think you can see. Let me try to use my finger. It's around 2 inches, actually 1.5 inch. You see how it's fitting on my finger. 1.5 inch, and it has different buttons. This is for the menu. You can see it has plus and minus. So yeah, and this is for where you pin out the 3.5mm aux cable to the camera. So this is a small receiver for the camera. So within the box you see also we have the Cam 2. This is for the iPhone. I think this is Thunderbolt. So, and it also comes with Type-C, which I'm using on this camera right now. Of course, I'm using the Type-C one with this small button mic. But of course, in the box, when you check inside, also a bag, small bag that carries the microphone. So inside this bag, there are a number of things that you find. So you find cable for charging. You see, it's so tough. It's a tough magnet. But there are these ropes. You can use them like to hang the microphone, like as if you're putting on a necklace. Use these ropes. And then these are extra buttons, like they are for clip. This one, they have a clip like this one. So those buttons, those magnets have that kind of clip. This one. And also you have your 3.5mm jack pin. It's even labeled Holyland. You can see that. So yeah, this is it. The one you use on this from here to the microphone, and also another dead cat. So it comes with a pair of dead cats. So that's what you find inside the box, and this is Holyland branded. So you use it, like it has a nice feeling, you know. All these products have some nice feeling when you touch them. It's a bit, you see the case, this is the case that holds there. It's a bit, it feels nice. Small, you see, can fit in my palm, fist. So it's quite compact, and you see the feeling that doesn't leave fingerprints when you touch it. Doesn't leave fingerprints. It's so nice. So that is it that I tried to unbox. These are the things I found inside, and you can also buy yourself. So it comes with this small card. It has the list of the things you find. This is the combo. It works for the camera and mobile devices. So there is also, I think if you check in the manual, you see there is one for what? For mobile. You see, so the mobile one, you check, you see the mobile one. That's how it looks. That's how it comes. But this is the camera version. It comes with a list of things. So this is the thing that you find the small pack seated in, and the two receivers for mobile phones, they sit there. So yeah, that is it. I'm using this, by the way, to record. It's a bit far away from myself. I don't know how it feels when I move it closer. So right now I've put it around my chest, and I don't know how it sounds, but it's one that I'm using. So you can comment and tell me how you find it. If it's nice, you can actually get yourself one. I got it online. So yeah, but anyway, I'm going to be using this to do my work, like videos. This comes after I had a failed recording where I recorded, but the sound was bad. So I said, why should I acquire for myself this piece? And it wasn't very expensive. It was just a few dollars that I was able to get this piece. So yeah, so that's what is I wanted to bring to us today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Have a good time, but of course don't forget to follow and subscribe on this channel to be able to get more of such videos, and give us work as well. You shall be able to do your recordings and other things. Thank you very much. Have a good time.